What's going on, YouTube? Just a little quick update on the day. The anniversary of Maryland Health and Wellness Center. Their 1 year anniversary. They've been around for 1 year today. So I had to go in and show my face. I seen Colleen. She's super dope. So shout out to Colleen. Shout out to Christine. Shout out to Bill. Shout out to JW. Shout out to all you fine bud tenders and people who work there. That's been there since day one. Since I started doing what the hell I'm doing. Okay? So we got some goodie bags. Got some goodie bags. Got a goodie bag. And then on top of it, I ordered something from Amazon from before this whole Corona shit started. And that even come in today. So yes, we're going to be doing a unboxing, some revealing, some just seeing what all I got in this this run today. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to open up this bag right here. All right, let's see. All right, so we have ourselves a grassroot dab mat, which is pretty fucking dope, right? Pretty dope. I believe I might have a couple of these, so this might be in my $500 subscriber giveaway. A cool grassroots handy dandy notebook, so therefore I will be doing all my notes in that, which I needed one of those. Some grassroots socks, pretty fucking dope, and a small grassroots shirt. I wish they had an extra large or something, but you know what? Some fine lucky winner will get this as well. Alright, like I said, my 500 subscriber giveaway, you will be getting a couple little things, plus a rig. I'm not sure which rig I'm gonna give away, but you will be getting a rig too. Alright, so that's done. You've seen that. I guess I should keep everything out, that way we can see everything we got, right? Alright, now I'm not sure about this guy. This guy, they're coming around, passing these things out, which is pretty cool. I do not know where or what I did with the little grassroots battery. I mean, the rhythm battery that they gave me. I do not know where it is at this moment, but there might be one in here. So let's see what's in here. I'm gonna try to keep this sticker out. This sticker's pretty dope. Maybe not. Alright. Awesome. Can't ever go wrong with a fucking rhythm bic, right? Super dope. Some, what is this? The Field Collection Life on High. Some chapstick. Some chapstick they give you there. Another pair of socks. I'm doing a video, Riley. Another pair of socks. It was pretty dope. And oh, cool, a rhythm button. Right, and a slap. Love is lit. Love is lit. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool little bag here, man. Pretty cool. All right. Last but not least, let's see what she got. This is from Colleen. Colleen hooked me up with a couple shirts. Speaking of this video, I should put on one of these shirts, but hey, I have me some Maryland Health and Wellness shirts now, so I can rock it on the fucking channel. Thank you, Colleen. She gave me 2 of them, that way I can wear them every fucking time I do a video, right? That's super dope. Super dope, Colleen. She hooked me up with another mat, right? Oh, here's the pen. Here's the pen I was telling you about, the battery, sorry. Not the pen, but the rhythm battery. Pretty fucking cool. Alright, now let's get into the medicine. I did not have a lot of allotment, so I got what I could, okay? So I canceled the pre-roll what I ordered, and I got this instead. Which this is OG Story Flower. Look at the THC. Oh yeah, THCA 31.4. I can't wait to open this guy up and press on this. Hold on, I'm in the video. Check this out, guys. Check this out. All kinds of stuff. So I got 3 grams of pink lemonade, 3 half grams of pink lemonade. Alright, 1, 2, 3. And then I got a gram of Cake and Kim crumble. So be on the lookout for those. All right. Last but not least, let me open up this fucking thing. I'm sure I'm gonna need a knife or something. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. It comes from China, so hopefully they hold the COVID back, right? This is my my nail for my my e-nail, another banger junk for my e-nail. Let's see if everything is here. It should be. Alright. So it comes a little dab mat, what it said, and then everything should be in here. A little dab mat. Alright. Alright, cool. Here it is. This is what I've been waiting for a long time. I haven't had one of these titanium nails, but you unscrew it, it hooks up to your e-nail, and you screw it back in. That way it's all nice and tight. Of course, there's the carb cap, ping, ping, ping. Alright, so there you guys go. You have a look of everything what I got today. Super cool. 1 year anniversary. Let's go, man. All kinds of medicine. Alright, all kinds of fucking medicine there. All the fine stuff I got, man. Shirts. Socks. Yeah, and all that medicine I still got to. So be on the lookout for that, man. Be on the lookout. Y'all stay medicated. Y'all stay terpy. Terpy time's out. Mama, I love y'all. Deuces.